After 1 week, I'm here to give my review and impressions for the Reddragon Kumara K552 mechanical keyboard with red switches, Outemu Reds, and Rainbow Backlighting. As I said previously, it has Outemu Reds, which is equivalent to Cherry MX Reds, and the sound and feel are very similar to the Cherry MX Reds, and the Outemu Reds imitate the sound very well, similar to the Cherry MX Reds. So here's how it looks like. The Reds are considered linear and tactile, so it has that linear sound when you click on it. And the keycaps are double shot ABS plastic keycaps, see-through, so that it will illuminate the characters when the backlight is lit up. The design of this keyboard is a tactile or 10 keyless, which means there is no number pad, only this side of the row, and it also includes the function keys FN1 to FN12, along with some extra multimedia features, like if you want to press F3, it will open your calculator. This one controls your volume and etc. So right now I'm going to turn on the backlight, the Rainbow Edition backlight. So it starts with this animation, then the backlight turns on. So from here it's not that bright, but if I turn off the lights, it is fairly bright. The backlight is a Rainbow Edition, so it's not RGB, single color for each row. So for the Rainbow Edition, it has 9 color modes. For instance, normal backlight, we have single lighting and then it disappears. We have the blinking effect. You can speed this up. Then we have the perky lighting mode. You can light perky. Then we have this effect. We have another effect, and then we have another effect which circles around the keyboard. We have this cool wave effect, and we have a earthquake effect, as I like to call it, because when you press one key, it does this effect. To activate the lighting modes, all you have to do is press FN and the insert key. That's how you switch to different color modes. To control the certain color modes, all you have to do is press FND. To control the speed of the effect, the left arrow key, then the right arrow key. Down is to control the brightness. So if we look in the back, there's some rubber grips in here, and we have these 2 little stands or feet, and it has rubber on it so that it doesn't move while it's open, which is a good thing. Now if I close it and I try to push it, it does move, but it depends on your surface. So it doesn't move here a lot, but moves here more. If I open both, it's a bit hard to push, which means not that slippery. Now for the sounds, I don't find any ping. There's no problem with the sounds. It sounds completely normal. So we'll talk about the build quality. The build quality is that the base is, I think, metal, aluminum alloy, and the keycaps are ABS plastic, as mentioned before. The cables are very thick. This is not a detachable cable, so it's not wireless. It's completely wired. And design wise, I like the design, spacing for each keys, and the thing they included for the space bar is it's tilted so that you can easily press the space bar, which is a big advantage for gamers. Really cool feature. Now the cool feature and the biggest pro of this keyboard is that it has anti-ghosting key rollover, so all 87 keys in this keyboard when pressed will be activated. So right now we're gonna do a typing test on this keyboard, so here it goes. So right now, here's some gaming footage. So my final thoughts on this keyboard is that it's very preferable for gamers, not suitable for a working area because it's quite loud. Most people might get annoyed with it. Even though it's linear, it's quite loud. Now this is a budget keyboard and this is good for its price. Very good quality, very reasonable price, around $40 in the US. Around in the UAE it's 200 plus. For the Rainbow Edition, RGB, it's 300, I think. You can check it out in Amazon. You can get this keyboard. Might have a cheaper price. If you have this keyboard, please let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to rate my review, also let me know in the comments below. If you do enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, share this to your friends. If they do like mechanical keyboard reviews, have a great day and stay safe.